Good morning and welcome back in our computer class. I want to welcome to all my viewers and students. Childrens, now we are going to read is a very important chapter number 7 of class 7th, Introduction to Python. Children, it is very important for you this chapter because after getting knowledge about the Python language, so you will able to make a program and you will able to get the knowledge about Python language. It is very simple language, children. So you know, children, a computer is an electronic machine that perform its tasks by accepting commands and instruction from the users. A set of instructions that let the computer perform a specific task is called a computer program. Computer programs are written in a language that the computer understands and can execute. These languages are known as programming languages like C, C++, Java, Visual Basic, etc. This chapter introduces a new programming language, Python. So now, children, we are going to read in this video the intro of a Python language. So first of all, we will read what is Python. What is Python, children? You know, Python is a high-level language. It's interpreted, interactive and object-oriented scripting language. It was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1980s at the National Research Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science. Its first version was released and implemented in 1991. You know, children, it's a high-level language, and Python it supports modules and packages which encourage programs modularity and code reusability. So children, you know, it's a very interactive interpreted language. So now we are going to read first its features. Okay, so what its features of Python languages? In general, Python is a very user-friendly language, is a high-level programming language which makes it worldwide popular. Some features of Python's as follows. Easy to learn. Due to its simple structure and clearly defined syntax, it is considered an easy to learn language. Beginner's language. At the beginning level of programming, it is a considerable as it supports the development of a wide range of application. So it means this language is very useful for beginners like you, children, like you. Okay, now third is free of cost. Python language is a free of cost available from its official web address. So children, if you not having a Python language in your system, so you can get from its official site www.python.org. Next is integrated. It can be easily integrated with language like C, C++, Java, etc. because it's an integrated language also. Interpreted. It is an interpreted language. That is, the code is executed line by line at the time. This makes debugging easy and it's thus suitable for beginner. Now next one is interpreted. Children, Python language is an interpreted language, that is, code is executed line by line at the time. This makes a debugging easy and is thus suitable for beginners. It means when we construct a structure of Python, so we have to construct its structure line by line because the Python language is a structural language, you know. So debugging means the error correction is easy means debugging is easy, suitable for beginners. Next one is object oriented and portability. Object oriented, Python support object oriented language and concept of classes and objects. Portability, it is a portable, can run equally of different platforms such as Windows, Linux. It means this Python interpreter, Python language will be executed in Linux, Windows and Unix platform operating system. It's a GUI based also, graphical user interface. Now children, now we are going to read the opening of Python. In a Python shell you can work in two ways. It's a interactive mode, and second one is script mode. So first of all we will read the interactive mode. In the interactive mode you can type the command in the window and the Python interpreter will execute the command and gives the result immediately. How can we do it? Let's start. So first we will start button, click on start button to open the Python language. Okay, so when you click on, you can see this IDLE Python GUI and Python command line. So we will click on IDLE Python GUI. Okay, integrated one, then IDLE Python, click on it. When we click on the IDLE Python, this Python window will be appear on your screen just like it. Okay, now command interpreter window opens where you will see a Python prompt. Now this is a Python prompt. This is a triple greater than symbol is a Python prompt, and this window is called a interpreter window and command interpreter window. Now type the command at the prompt and press enter key. So suppose this is a print command, print. Now I want to print from this interpreter, Python interpreter, within a bracket, double inverted comma, hello children, how are you, and inverted comma, then bracket close. Then when we press the enter, these Python interpreters will executes my print statements like it's. Look at this. This is my output, is a blue color. Hello children, how are you? Okay, so from this way we can open as a in a interactive mode of a Python. Now we will read the script mode. So first of all listen, before reading the script mode is a add to the knowledge, we will read interactive mode is a beneficial for testing code where you type the commands at a time and get the result for error immediately. Okay, if you write error, if you write the wrong statements like look at this, now print, this is the wrong spelling of print and I want to print hello. Okay, now when we press the enter from the keyboard, so look at this, the print Python interpreters will give to me the error, leaks the print hello. This is means this statement is wrong, and when we error free this statement, now print. Okay, now here we will write print, then inverted comma hello like this, and when we press the enter you can see that the Python interpreter will display our correct result is a hello. Okay, clear? Now so children, till now interactive mode, I'm going to finish my video. In next class we will read script mode and executive of running of the program in a Python language. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this language Python, and if you have a computer and you can also run this Python language on your Android phone. Okay, So for this you can you can download a Python interpreter on your Android phone. Is a, I think name is Python Pro, I think. Okay, so anyway, I will provide the correct app on your WhatsApp group. So let's see. Okay, now bye bye.